Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. You need to begin by opening Themes app and tapping on Recommended or Categories at the bottom. Wherever you decided, select Themes at the top and then look for the best one for you. You can also just click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. After finding your theme, tap on Download at the bottom. And last but not least, hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, access Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit, tap on Lock Screen and Wallpaper, and finally click on Theme at the top right corner. Then select one of the system ones and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!